Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at an Audemars Piguet Code 1159 self-winding chronograph in pink gold with a beautiful smoked gray dial. The model and the reference number for this watch is 26393NR.OO.A002KB.01. Retail price on this watch for 2022 is $51,400 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and strap, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout this review. Now, the Audemars Piguet Code 1159 self-winding chronograph is a 41mm watch from my thumb here to my pointer finger. It's a full-size watch for men. This watch line was first introduced in 2019 in January. And the chronograph models like this one got the most attention. To step away from the 8-sided bezels and into the modern take on the chronograph with a new movement. This line of watches fills the gap between sports watches like the Royal Oak Offshores and dress watches like Patek Philippe. It introduces the high-end modern movements with ceramic ball bearings. This ceramic case holding the movement here is rated to 30 meters or 100 feet of water resistance. It's a really neat case. It goes all the way around. So yes, 30 meters or 100 feet of water resistance. The pink gold structure around the case wraps up this black ceramic body really well. It makes it a two-tone watch. Let's try this watch on for size. This is a 41mm watch. Should fit my roughly 7-inch wrist just fine. There you have it. Lugs don't go quite over my wrist, so it does fit. Fitted together with a tang buckle. It's not too high off the wrist either, not too tall. We're talking about 12 millimeters thickness on the watch and 41 millimeters from left to right of the case. Now, the watch has very little material for a bezel and instead uses that space to show off its double curved sapphire, crystal, and dial. So this is really cool. If you take a look at it from the different sides, you'll notice there's a little play with the depth, and that's due to the crystal that's on this watch. Now, the inside of the crystal on this watch is domed, and the outside is vertically domed from top to bottom. If you look at it from the side, maybe you'll check that out. See how it's curved. Yeah, it's a really neat look. Makes this dial look a lot deeper than it really is. Now, going to the dial, we're looking at this beautiful smoke gray dial with its sunburst gray on the inside, fading to black on the outside where the pink gold hour markers are here. Now, the pink gold hour markers, minutes, and second hands are somewhat skinnier than what I'm used to, but they can be read against the dial. They don't get in the way. The chronograph subdials have pink gold accents and hands. Not sure if you noticed, but the font that AP uses on this watch is a little bit different than what they were applying on the watches that we've seen before. It looks more like a futuristic design. I'm sure it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. Unfortunately, you're going to have a hard time seeing this dial in low light conditions as there's no luminescence in this dial at all. That kind of makes sense. This is a dress watch and it's not required for a dress watch. Now you can see the date here at the 4:30 position. It's white text against a black background. It's easy to spot. And the crown here at the 3 o'clock position here can be wound in its first position. When it still closest to the case. Now 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out, it's going to be able to change the date. You can see it cycle through the date window there at the 4:30 position. And the third position out, it's going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands just like that. Once you have your hands set, you can just click down the crown and your watch is set. Now going on to here, we're actually looking at the pushers here at the 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock positions. They're used for the chronograph. The top pusher is going to be a start and a stop. And you can see that the second chronograph hand is moving around the dial. And if I had to press the bottom pusher here, the flyback chronograph, it's going to bring that hand all the way back up to the 12 o'clock position and it can continue running. And if you wanted to stop it, you just click the stop button here and reset it back to the 12 o'clock using the bottom right pusher. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 4401 flyback chronograph. You can see it under this large exhibition case back. It has the hour, minute, date, and seconds function and flyback chronograph. Power reserve on this movement is 70 hours, so you can set this watch down for a couple of days, pick it back up. It's still going to be keeping time. The self-winding movement, this rotor here, keeps it wound while it's on your wrist. It's beautifully worked, and it's more modern looking. Doesn't need much beautification to look good. The winding rotor is open worked, so you can see the movement much better. And it looks really nice. Now under the strap that holds this watch, we're looking at this black canvas strap with a matching pink gold tang buckle. Canvas strap kind of bridges the gap between metal straps and a leather strap on a dress watch. The tang buckle is robust enough that it doesn't feel dinky and it holds the watch firmly on your wrist. Yes, this AP code 1159 flyback chronograph in pink gold is a very wearable watch. It is the modern take on centuries-old idea of the chronograph. While it feels familiar, there's a lot of high tech that goes on in making this watch. The ceramic ball bearing rotors, ceramic case, a 70-hour power reserve are great features. And the dial is dressy, looks awesome from many angles due to the double curved crystal shining light on the dial in a very interesting way. You can dress this watch up or wear semi-casual outfits with this watch. It looks great as a sporty watch, but it keeps it dressy with the traditional dial. These watches are the newest, latest, and greatest modern take on the chronograph. I hope that we can see more innovative designs from AP like this watch. Now you can get this watch from the authorized dealer now if you want to get but if you want to get the watch for a better price, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 26393NR.OO.A002KB.01. This is the 41mm Audemars Piguet Code 1159 flyback chronograph in pink gold with a smoke gray dial on a canvas strap. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.